In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Salesforce CLI 5 minutes. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can get the Salesforce command line interface set up without any hassle. The Salesforce CLI helps you work with your orgs and projects from the terminal, automate tasks, and speed up your development workflow. Let's walk through the process from start to finish. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Any modern browser works fine here. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection so the download doesn't stall partway through. In the search bar, type Salesforce CLI downloads. You're looking for the official Salesforce page. It should be on the developer site and reference the Salesforce CLI tools. Avoid third-party download sites to ensure you get the latest and safest version. Click the first result that takes you to the official Salesforce CLI page. Once you're on the page, double-check that the address belongs to Salesforce's developer site and that your browser shows a secure connection. This helps you avoid outdated or unsafe installers. On the Downloads section, select the installer for your operating system. If you're on Windows, choose the Windows installer. If you're on Mac OS, pick the Mac OS package and make sure you choose the correct build for your chip, such as Apple Silicon or Intel. On Linux, select the package format that matches your distribution, like .db or .rpm. If you're unsure which to choose, your system information will tell you, or you can stick with the option your distro commonly uses. Click the download button for your operating system. Your browser may ask where to save the file. The default downloads folder is fine. The file can be fairly large, so give it a moment to complete. If your organization uses strict security software, you may need to allow the download or try again on a trusted network. When the download finishes, run the installer. On Windows, double-click the .exe file and follow the setup wizard. On macOS, open the PKG and proceed through the prompts. On Linux, install the package using your system's standard method. Accept the license, keep the default options unless you have a specific reason to change them, and allow the installer to add the CLI to your system path. You may be asked for your computer's administrator password to complete the installation. That's it. Once the installer completes, Salesforce CLI is ready to use from your command line, and you're set for your development tasks.